How to change product order on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change a product order on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up shopify.com and you'll land right here on this platform. So what you guys need to do is you have to go to your products right here, and once you select product, then it will show you all of your products. You have to go to collections. So once you go to collection, select the collection where you want to change the product order and just scroll down to products. Now we have sort by. So what I can do is I can actually change its order. So for example, maybe from A to Z, so it will just arrange it like that. Then we can go with lowest price, and then it will arrange it this way. Similarly, oldest, and now this is how it's arranged. So this is how we can change our product order on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.